just going back to the start, whenever you asked us what we wanted from the course, for me it was about understanding language, IT language, from a business continuity perspective, to go and speak to our IT people. We're really lucky in that we have a very strong IT team who I'm sure are covering a lot of this stuff, but from a BCM perspective and leading on that, I need to know, I need to let them know my expectations, how they're going to deal with things, and you gave me confidence to ask the right questions, and you've delivered that in a language that I've understood. And to highlight what Michael said as well, is that I thought 2.5 days on Zoom would be tough. This is the first online course I've done. Most are in person, but it's been enjoyable and the time's flown. I've looked forward to each day and enjoyed it as well. Thank you.